We back at it. We back at it like a crack addict.
That's crazy. What's with this?
Yo, what's wrong with that?
Okay, so today,
let them explain what's going on.
Today, I found this place off of YouTube. A guy on YouTube from Ottawa, his name is Dr. Hobbs. He did it, and I don't know what this guy's gonna say about it, but I just want to see his reaction. I literally just want to see. It's food, okay? It's not a restaurant. It's not a fast food.
Did you try it?
I need you. No. I need you to put your blindfold on right now.
Right now.
So it's not a restaurant.
He said it's not a restaurant, fast food truck, or I don't even know. Like just I don't know where. I think we're just gonna go to someone's house and pick up food. I don't even know.
Yeah, it's just so funny. Today. I genuinely just want to see his reaction to this. It's just funny. Like, right. But wait.
Yeah, how much longer?
How much longer is it?
Is it past Lansdowne or before? Whoa!
Damn!
Whoa! Yo, this is scary. This is scary.
Anywho, so we just parked up.
We parked.
Yeah.
Am I gonna be blindfolded when I walk out?
Yes. You have to be blindfolded. Okay. Come on. It's okay. Look at this. Okay, you stand right there. Come. Follow my voice. I'm late. Okay. You just come.
Yo, can I just look?
What? No. You look when we get there. Just go. Look at it. It's literally, we're literally just on the sidewalk. Oh no.
Yeah, I see what you felt like.
Oh God. Lily, look.
Bro, watch where I'm going, bro.
5 more steps and you can take it off. 5 more steps.
Bro, like I feel like there's a wall in front of me.
5 big steps. Okay, we're eating pizza from my vending machine.
The vending machine.
Okay, go. No. So today, we're eating food. We're eating food from a vending machine. Okay, that's good. This guy is crazy, bro.
You seen this on YouTube?
Yeah, I seen this on his YouTube. Okay, touch your start. No.
Oh, it's flipped.
Pepperoni, barbecue chicken, meat. Pick.
I ate like 2 hours ago, so I'm okay, you know. But okay. I'll eat. So just get like nothing too big.
What?
Meat lovers?
Yeah,
just get meat lovers.
Okay, with $13. Cause this cold. Cold is like you warm it up after.
Hot,
yeah.
bro. We're not taking it home.
Hot. Gosh, bro. Yo, how do I fix up, bro? That's crazy.
Yeah, I got you. You go like this, press, and you hold.
That's crazy. Okay, this is what I was saying. You think there's someone inside like warming it up or something?
Nah. It's what's it called? It's a machine. Like once you pick, it gets the dough ready. Like it's probably already ready.
Okay.
And then it puts it's a machine puts the sauce on and the topping.
No way. Wallahi.
That's not hot. We put hot. Do we put cold?
We put hot.
With the receipt. I swear if you put cold, bro.
No, we put hot. Come on now.
Meat lovers, it doesn't even say.
So are we just gonna have to warm it up at your crib? That's it.
That was quick. We thought it was warmed up and everything, but
okay.
I guess we'll just have to warm it up at home.
Bro, I am elite.
Take it out. This is so ghetto.
Oh, that better taste good. That's all I'm saying. That better taste good. The one I'm suffering with Jesus.
This side looks good, not gonna lie.
Okay, let's just play it and we'll just take it down. So we warmed up the pizza and let's just show you what this looks like. This does not look good.
What is
that? That's $13 was not worth
it. I mean, it was $13, so it can't even be bad.
It's okay for $13. Alright. Now, do you guys hear that? Come on, listen. Look at this. That's not right. That's not right.
Make a beat.
Wow, that's crazy.
We're making beats on pizza.
We're making beats on pizzas.
Cut it.
You taste yours. You taste
First,
yours.
taste.
Let
What is this poison?
Let you taste it first. It's not good, huh? Not good. Good. It's okay.
I don't know, bro. I don't know.
Okay.
This is so dry. We didn't even get a drink. Too dry. It's like pizza. It's drier than pizza.
Have you ever had leftover Domino's? That's what this is.
It's like the pizza from
Kind of
yesterday
bread.
night. That was in the fridge.
Thank
That
you.
got warmed up this morning.
Thank you. Literally, but it's okay. It's better than pizza. 100%. Literally cardboard. If you guys eat pizza, you're just leave Ottawa. Go back to wherever you guys came from. No.
I eat pizza.
Huh? Yeah. This is what I'm gonna do. Are you ready? This is what I'm gonna do. Eat pizza. Okay, buddy. Good man. Get out. You pizza. Get out. Shoot. Yeah, one time. Stay blessed, route. Stay blessed. Ah!
You can get those glasses. Let me hold those.
Damn, I'm black, bro. I'm so sorry for all my food lovers that are watching this. This is not right. Right, this is the worst food video we ever made, guys. Okay, bear with us.
So should we recommend people go there or what?
Stay at home.
I mean,
Stay at home.
you guys could decide for yourself. You guys see what happens.
If you guys are starving and are on Bank Street, go there. But if you're in a car and want to eat something nice, don't go to a machine. Go to someone that actually gives you food with these two hands, okay?
We actually got frozen food from the vending machine.
And I was actually excited for this. I was like, you know, like we can actually do this. Random God. Goodness gracious, bro. Goodness gracious.
Why are you disrespecting the pizza?
Like, look, you guys want to see something? I'm not even joking.
We're not going around.
I'm not even joking.
Tossing the pizza
I'm not
around.
even joking. This, look, it's a book. Guys, so today, I'm going to be reading you about, it's trash. Trash? Trash? Cheese! S. And what's it with me? H. You need to
This is more educated, fam. Same path graduate right there. Don't
Come on,
ever play, bro.
Don't
Same path
ever play, bro.
graduate.
Don't ever play.
Come on, let's wrap it up.
You're actually looking sweet.
Let's wrap it up. Take care, guys.
Bye, guys. Love ya.
Just make a handshake with them.
Yeah, here. I'm coming.
Ah.
No, this is the handshake. Hit it. Nug it. Pound it.
Lick it.
Okay.